Hey! Welcome to the Winning Start team. Sorry about that little pause there, eh? I just couldn't help myself. This music is too good, man. I'm super excited you're here because this channel is all about you. Yeah, that's right, you. Getting the tools, the motivation, and the mindset to have a winning start in life, in business, and in everything you do. We're diving into the amazing world of AI. Things like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Canva, and loads more. We are going to show you how to use these tools to level up your project, your business, and your dreams. But listen, it's not just about the tech. It's about encouragement. It's about mindset. It's about building a community that supports each other to win every single day. So hit that subscribe button, become part of the Winning Start family, and let's go together. Because here we win. Let's go!